Hello, good day and welcome. We're on the farm. This is another farm we're on. We're close to the river. And as you can see they are preparing the land for planting. Cut down trees, burning stuff. This is the pump that they use because the river is very close by. And here they have a field of potatoes. Huge field of potatoes. And they have some dashing, not dashing, it's Tanya we call it. That's the same thing they call cocoa in Jamaica. And we hear almond trees, coconut trees, bamboo trees all around. And we go in, we walk in. This is the river right there. Wow. The water is so clean. The place is so beautiful. The river is one place I really love, you know. I love to see the fishes in the water. And one day I'll do a great river too. How it is at the top of the bamboo trees. It looks like an upstairs. Wow. Beautiful place. Beautiful place.